Good day, guys. We are back with another YouTube video. On today's YouTube video, we'll be doing our weekly forecast as always. And the pairs that we'll be focusing on is Euro, USD, Pound, USD, USD Swiss franc, Gold, NAS 100, and USDT. So without wasting any time, let's start with Euro USD. So Euro USD, it's on a bearish trend. So we have a strong high here. We have a high here. This is the low. So we're expecting price to further go down since it broke this structure here. So we will see how we're gonna be looking at entering this trade. But so far, we have a high, a low. We just confirm this high. So we'll see what's going to happen here. We will see what's going to happen here. Okay, no, it's fine. Okay, we have a bearish weekly, and let's jump into daily. Daily, we are also bearish. We've just broken structure here. So on daily, we were bullish from like here, like this. This was the low, high, low, high, low, high, and we have a break of structure here. So what are we expecting? A retracement and a continuation and a continuation. So we won't be trading. This is higher time frame. We'll look for it once this high gets taken out. This high gets taken out. That's when we'll start looking for sales. So for now, we're just gonna be observing price. You know, we're just gonna be paying close attention to price. What is it trying to do on smaller time frame? We're not gonna focus on this time frame until this high gets taken out. It's fine. Or you can use your discount and premium method. You understand? If you understand this method, you can use your discount and premium to fish out for sales. Okay, for now, we have this daily strong daily high. We've broken this daily low. We've created a daily low here. So we are currently on a retracement. So on smaller time frame, we should be, H4 should be bullish so that we can take advantage of the pullback. So jumping into H4, we're gonna jump into H4. What we see on H4, what did we have last week? Last week we had a range of H4, which confirmed here. Then it gave us some sort of inducement here, then a break of structure here. So here we were looking to sell from, let's see something. Yeah, from that week. And price went back in and started dropping from there. However, it never created a new low. It took all of these equal lows, then went to break structure again. So now we have a what? We have a bullish H4 range. This is the low. This is the low. And we are yet to create a high. So we might see something like this week, you know, but not on H4 time frame, maybe on H1, maybe looking at H1 range. So jumping to H1, what is the range on H1? On H1, the range was like this. This range was here, from here to here. That was the range. Yeah, this was the range. Low. Then it gave a retracement, gave a break of structure here. We were looking to sell here, but never gave us an entry. So it went down all the way down. So now, as it was coming back here, we were looking for sales. So it never gave me a sales because I was waiting for something like this, then to sell it properly, you understand? However, it gave us a break of structure. So now we are bullish on H1. We are definitely bullish on H4, bullish on H4, bullish on H1, bearish on daily, bearish. So weekly is bearish, daily is bearish, H4 is bullish, H1 is bullish, and 15 minutes is bullish. So at this current moment, this is our 15 minutes low. So this is all the liquidity that is resting on 15 minutes. We have this equal, relatively equal low. So I expect price to this week, maybe to give us a pullback and continue up. So most of the decision that we make, guys, we react on what the market is doing. You understand? We are not really sure if it's gonna do this. It can just continue up. I can wait for this to come all the way down here because I'm using my simple rule of discount and premium. You understand? That's why I'm saying, oh, maybe it can come here because of this discount and premium. However, sometimes the market can take maybe something like this, a small retracement, and continue going up. But these are not high probability trade. High probability trade will always come from the 50%. So we have this low, we have not created a high. So we have a bullish, 15 minutes bullish, H1 is bullish, H4 is bullish, daily is bearish, and weekly is bearish. So on higher time frame, we are looking for long-term sells, but here on smaller time frames, we can look for buys. You understand? We can look for buys. So let's jump into the next pair, which is GBPUSD. Let's start on weekly. So jumping on weekly, we have a bearish weekly. Understand? Weekly is bearish. You can see that we had a high, low, retracement, continuation low. So now we have another retracement. So for now, what are we looking for? We're looking for price to further push down. You understand? We're looking for price to further push down since we have confirmed this high. So we have a bearish weekly. Let's jump into daily. We have a bearish daily. So what are we expecting? We're expecting price to give us a retracement, maybe to the discounted, to the premium zone. Then we will be looking for sales from there. Yeah, we will be looking for sales from there. We can wait for price to tap into this area, then look for sales from there. So jumping into H4, daily is bearish, H4 is bullish. As you can see, H4 was bullish, was bearish from this high, was supposed to take out this low. However, it created something like a low here because it did take the H1 liquidity. Then did something like this, then continue to take out the H4 low. You understand? So we had a range within a range. So from this area, I was looking for a sell. However, it never gave me like any reasons to sell since, yeah, it never broke any H1 structure. You understand? Since H1, I'll show you. So now we have a high, a new high. So we can expect price to do something like this. Can expect price to do something like that. I am expecting price to do something like that based on this H4. So H1 was bearish from here to here. So then what happened was that we were looking for sales last week here. I think I took a lot. No, it's not this one. I don't know. Maybe it's euro. I lost a trade because I was selling. Understand? However, it created another sort of 15 minutes liquidity because it did take the 15 minutes low. then it is something like this. You understand? So now this becomes the targeted high, because now the range was bearish here and now it's bullish. You understand? Because it created a new higher high. So did something like that and shoot up. So now we have H1 a bullish range. Obviously, if it's bullish, we are waiting for a retracement, then we look for buy. So 15 minutes and H1, 15 minutes is right here. So this is the H1 range. This was the 15 minutes range. So 15 minutes was like from here. 15 minutes was from here to here. Gave it a little bit of retracement. Yeah, retracement. Then it tanked down. Then we had a break of structure right here. Then, yeah, we have not created a high yet. You understand? So all of these are just liquidity pockets. So we have not created a high yet. So we are bullish on 15 minutes. We are bullish on H1. We are bullish on H4. Daily is bearish and we are inside the supply. Daily is bearish and weekly is bearish. So let's jump into USD Swiss franc. Okay, let's start on weekly. What are we waiting for on weekly? So on weekly, we have like a bearish structure. We had a high, low, retracement, then a low again. Currently, we're inside a retracement. However, I'm not selling until I see this gets taken out. I'm not selling until I see that gets taken out. For sure, I'll wait for price to give me a deeper retracement. Then I'll look for a sell. Or as always, you can use your discount and premium if someone would do that, something like that. So we have a weekly is bearish. Daily is bullish on this time frame. Daily is bullish. We have this low. We have a high here. We have liquidity pocket here because this is H4. And we are creating another inducement here. So now what I can expect is that if price decides to do something like this, I'll definitely be looking for a buy. You understand? I'll look for a buy and take that high here. Then look for a sell based on weekly time frame. So daily is still bullish. H4 is bullish. So let me show you what happened here. So we had a low here. Price went up and started dropping. Soon, yeah, it started dropping. So now it gave us a confirmation for this range for a buy. So currently we have a buy limit somewhere here for a long-term buy. You understand? For a long-term buy, where are we targeting? We are targeting here. However, we have created a what? A daily strong high, So meaning that price can still do something like this, violate our buy order from here, then do something like this. That can still happen. However, we have a buy stand. I thought this was gonna trigger us, but it never triggered us. It just continued going up. So we still have the buy limit there. It's fine. So on H4, we are bullish. H1, we are bullish because we've broken structure here, created this low here. Then we were supposed to look for a sell around these areas. However, it never gave us any sell on H1. So now we are actually waiting for prices to drop. You understand? Oh, to go up. Understand? So this is our range. This is our range low. High was taken out. This is our range high. So this is a retracement. If it gives us a setup here, we'll definitely be looking for long positions this week on US dollar Swiss franc. So let's jump into 15 minutes. 15 minutes is bearish. We did have a trade here, but we missed it. We missed a trade here last week Friday of NFP. So our sell order was right somewhere here with a group. We thought that something like this, you can do something like this if you want to see. Yeah, it was right there on 50%, that range, because this is a smaller time frame range, but the price never went into the entry and just decided to drop. This was the NFP. It's fine. It's fine. So we have a new range now from this high to this low. So what are we expecting? A pullback. Then I'm looking for a sell. Okay. Even though I'm inside a low. So meaning that if H1 gives a confirmation somewhere here to buy, 15 minutes will be my hedging position for this H1. 15 minutes will be my hedging position. So let's jump into gold. Gold, it played some trick on me. So on gold, this was gold is on a move. It's definitely on a move. So what do we have on gold? We have a range now. We have a range. So what did we have? A low, high, a retracement, and continuation. We did take that high. Remember that equal high? So this for me, it's a retracement. Looking forward for a long positions like this. You understand? So meaning that we are looking for a buy. So what can we expect this week or this coming few weeks? We might expect a retracement and a continuation going up. You understand, to complete the cycle. So let me just see if it did tap into 50% into discount. Yeah, it did come into the discounted area. So looking for daily time frame. So looking at daily, we can see that we were bearish from here, created a belly structure. Now we have a break of structure here. So meaning that we might actually be going up because this has confirmed that we are going up. And it's funny because now looking at GU and Euro, they tell you that the US dollar is strong, understand? However, when you compare it to gold, it looks like the gold is strong. So it's the market. What can we say? We have a low here. We have not created a high. So looking at this range, we are expecting price to give us a pullback, then we buy. So if we are buying from here, since we are coming from demand, weekly demand, we can actually target the weekly external liquidity. So now we have range from this low. We have not created a high. So let's jump into H4. H4, we still also in a range. We have not created a high. So this is the range low. So H4, daily, weekly, they are sharing the same low. So now what are we expecting on H4? We might expect maybe price to do something like this, or maybe this high will be taken out because we have another range here. Maybe this high will be taken out. We'll be expecting a retracement, then a buy. So here on gold, weekly is bullish, daily is bullish, H4 is bullish, H1 is bullish, and 15 minutes is bullish. So everyone is here. We are just bullish here. We are just bullish. So let me show you what happened. So now we have just confirmed this range, this H1 range now. So this H1 range from this low to this high, this was a retracement. break of structure here. So we might see price maybe liquidating and continue up, or doing something like this. We don't know what's going to happen. We'll just react to the market when it happens. So now we have this range, this range. So we had another range here on Friday. I mean on Thursday, on Thursday we had another range. So from this high to this low, we were on a retracement. Price built up some liquidity and went, and we sold when it broke this low here. This is our sold. Then it went all the way down. So we were targeting this low. So on my signal group, we did say that they must close, because here it was around 6, because I was just ending my trading period. But I didn't close. It took me out here during NFP. It took me out. I didn't close because I like to leave them the probability to play out on their own. So now we have another range from this low. This is the high. So we have not created the high yet. So we might wait for this low to be taken out. So this will be our liquidity like this. Why is this our liquidity? Because this is the low that took out that high. So let's jump into NASDAQ. So this week I never really had trades on indices this week. Yeah, this week I had a lot. 2 losses. Yeah, 2 losses. I missed one trade, US dollar. Yeah, it's fine. So we have, what do we have here? We have a range now. This is the low. This was the low, high, retracement, and continuation. So now we have what? We have, this was the weekly. So weekly is bullish. Weekly is bullish. So let's jump into daily. What's happening on daily? Daily is also bullish. This is the daily low. So price created a high, a targeted high. So, and we just confirmed a buy. So we don't know. I don't know. Like what I'm expecting now from this time frame is that price will do something like this week. Obviously, we'll do something like this, and we can buy. We can target this weekly high. Understand? The all-time high. I think we might hit the all-time high before end of the year. We don't know if, but if this is holding though, because if it's not holding, it will just continue going down like this. So remember, this is H4, this is internal to daily. You can just do something like this. Create an order flow going down like this. Understand? Until this one gets taken out. Yeah, so I'm just aware for that, but so far I'm just convinced that price might do something like this and start to shoot up, actually to take this high and alternatively create a new all-time high on Nasdaq. So that's my view on daily. H4 is bearish. H4 is still a bit bearish for me, because this was the high and there was an order flow going down. So now we have a range from here to here. So if it gives us enough reasons to sell, we can look for a sell going all the way down. Understand? However, on a higher time frame, I am looking for a buy. Like remember on daily, because since we've tapped into daily demand, I am looking for a buy, and we've broken 1 hour structure. So H4 is bearish. So here weekly is bullish, daily is bullish, H4 is bearish, H1 is bullish. So it's only H4 for me that is bearish. So I'm not gonna be looking for a sell I might look for a sell. However, I'm just gonna observe it very closely because I think it's gonna go up. I think it's gonna go up. I think so, But in this game, it's not about what you think. It's about what the price does. If it goes down, it goes down. There's nothing that we can do. H1, we are bullish. We've broken structure last week, Friday here, and we've created a range on weekly. Yeah, on 15 minutes. Here where we took on Friday. And see, this was NFP. I think, yeah, this was NFP. Yeah, price created a high, retrace, created some Asian range, took the Asian low, then started going up again. So we have a bullish range now from this 15 minutes to bullish range. This is the low. We have not created a high yet. So I am looking for a buy on 15 minutes. Let's jump into our last pair for the day. So what do we have here? So we are bullish, definitely bullish here. This was the low, high, a retracement. Now we are targeting this high. Okay. And on daily, this is the one that is tricky, guys. I don't know what I am going to do. So what confuses me here is that we had this range, right? From this low to that high. This was a retracement. Then it took out that low. However, before it took out that low, it created another strong low here inside this range, inside this high and this low. It created another strong low, internal, not external, internal. So now it came back to take that internal. Now it's moving up. So I don't know if this is a break of structure, but I'm open to learn. However, following my method, you understand, I'm just gonna follow my strategy because it does happen. Sometimes it will just take this and it goes up like straight. You understand? But next time I want to take advantage of this. You understand? I will definitely want to take advantage of this because if I know that this low might not hold. Immediately after taking this low, I was going to look for a buy. You understand? I was going to definitely look for a buy because this is a strong low inside another range. So I don't know if you understand, but it's fine. It's fine. It's a topic for another day. We'll just observe what's going to happen, but let's just follow our trading method for now. So we have a range, daily range, strong. So weekly is bullish, daily is bearish now. But we are a bit skeptical because of this low. If it breaks now, this one will be short that the range has changed. But since this is a daily strong low, so I'm just gonna take it as my strong low for now. So we have a range from here to here. So we have not confirmed a low. So once after taking this high, now we've confirmed a low. So H4 range. H4 range is a bit bearish. H4. This is the range high. This is the low. This is a retracement. So we don't know what market might do. So because if it does something like this, we'll wait for a retracement, then we sell. You understand? Wait for 15 minutes range to confirm, then we can sell. So now we have a what? We have a range from this high, from this low to this high, but we have not created a high. So what is the expectation again? Expectation again is that we get a retracement, then we look for a buy. 15 minutes is also bullish. It's also bullish. We are also looking for a retracement, then we look for a buy. Also, even though daily is bearish, we on the smaller time frame we can definitely look for buys because the ranges are bullish. So guys, that's it for this week. Catch another video next week. And have a great week ahead. I hope you have a profitable week. And if you like to join our Discord community group, let me know on the comments. Peace out.